Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do this hijab style. It's super easy. I know it looks a little complicated, but actually it takes 2 seconds to get it done. And that is because I am wearing an instant hijab, which prior to last week, I've never heard of an instant hijab. I had no idea what it was. And pretty much guys, it's a one piece. I mean, like, where have I been? I can't believe I haven't heard about these before. What is really cool about these instant hijabs is that they come in all styles. So they have jersey instant hijabs, chiffon instant hijabs, and as you can see, this really cool detailed and I would say like luxurious instant hijab. Like I could wear this to a wedding, to a party, graduation. I mean, it looks pretty fancy, right? I would think so. Absolutely love these, and I think I'm gonna start wearing them more often because they just save so much time. It's just so convenient. So all these hijabs are from a Turkish company called Modanisa. I also have a coupon code for 20% off plus free shipping on all orders over $25. So if you want to check it out, just check the description box and let's get this started. So if you guys have been following me for a while and have watched my hijab tutorials, you would notice that I always start off with a scrunchie, which is like a big hair tie that I put on top of my head just so I get a little bit more of a volume back there. And I also wear my hijab cap, so like my hair stays all in place and doesn't get messy. And so the really cool thing about these instant hijabs is that they already come with a cap right here, as you can see, and it's attached to the hijab. And at the back, it has this little like voluminous ball, and it's filled with cotton inside, so it's very like soft. And the purpose of this is to also create some sort of volume at the back of your head. And I think this size right here, it's pretty decent. I mean, it's not a lot. Anyways, I'm just really happy that these come with a little volume at the back of the hijab cap. So here's a close look at the cap. And I absolutely love this design up here in the front. The crisscross is absolutely gorgeous. And this right here is what I was talking about. The little pouch is a nice, decent size. Alright, and so now I'm going to place this over my head. And then tie these 2 strings. Voila! And again, if you guys have watched my hijab tutorials before, you've noticed that I always start with a long piece on one side and then a short piece on the other. So the fact that they incorporated everything that I love in a hijab into just one piece is just so genius and efficient. So I'm already like such a fan of these hijabs. At this point, you guys can pretty much style it any way you like. Like you can definitely go for a turban and just wrap that up. What I would do is just throw the long piece towards the back and then just leave it like this. And if you want to be a little extra, you can just add on some bling. You can put some earrings. Ooh. Oh my god, that looks gorgeous. I love this color so much. So the next one is super gorgeous as well. I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it online. I was very concerned actually because it has a lot of beads, and I was thinking, I'm like, maybe it's a really heavy hijab, but no, it's not heavy whatsoever. It's super light actually, and here it is. So So this one right here is my favorite one of them all, obviously because of the beadwork, and it just looks super fancy, luxurious. I really like that they thought about the undercap color, because with white you can't really see much. It just blends in very beautifully. And I just love the fact that these hijabs are affordable. I mean, I believe this one was around $50. So for the amount of money this costs and the quality, I just think it's amazing that they could have quality and it's inexpensive at the same time. Oh, I forgot to mention that these instant hijabs come with a magnet attached to the hijab, so you don't have to use any pins if you don't want to. So this is the way that the model online wore this hijab. She wrapped it around, brought it over to the front, and there you go. So this last hijab I absolutely love because it has a lot of sequins. So let me show you what it looks like. I love the sequin design on the hijab so much. And the color is absolutely gorgeous. This dusty rose is so beautiful. So I noticed that the hijab cap shows a little bit. So what I'm going to do is just pin these two. And I'm going to take this long piece and take it towards the back. And actually just leave it like this. I love how effortless this style looks. I just love the detailing over here on the top of the head. I'm actually super impressed with all of these hijabs, and I cannot believe I haven't heard about these until a week ago. It's crazy. I would have definitely worn something like this if they were around for like my wedding, my engagement, or graduation. You better believe I would have had something like this because it's just like so convenient and it's just beautiful at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're interested for more hijab videos like these, let me know, comment down below. Thank you so much for your love and support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!